Hi, so I hope the last video useful, and this is the second video of mathematical reasoning and logical reasoning. So without any delay, let's start with the question. Okay, so this is your first question for today's class. As I have already said you in the last video, please when I give you one question, please pause the video, try to solve that question by yourself and then listen to my explanation. Okay, so if A is to B is 3 is to 4 and B is to C is 2 is to 5, find A is to B is to C. Okay, so this is your question, and for solving this question, what you have to do is A is to B is 3 is to 4, right? So A is to B is 3 is to 4. Now B is to C is 2 is to 5, right? So there are two B's, right? So what you have to find is, you have to find the LCM of these B's, okay? So 4 and 2, LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4, okay? So now what you have to do is, for finding out A is to B is to C, the LCM is 4, right? So our B will be 4. Now first ratio was 3 is to 4 and the second ratio was 2 is to 5, right? So this was our first B, this was our second B. So what should be multiplied by this B, I mean 4, to get 4? So this is 1, right? 4 into 1 gives you 4. So you have to multiply 3 also into 1. So you will get 3. So A will be 3, okay? 3 is to 4. Now for finding out C, this was our second B. So you have to find out the number which should be multiplied with 2 to get 4. So 2 into 2 gives you 4. So you have to multiply 2 with this 5 also. So 2 into 5 is 10. So our C is 10. So our A is to B is to C will be 3 is to 4 is to 10, and option C is the answer, okay? So there are other simple methods also, but I have already said in the last video, it's not possible for me to tell you all the tips and tricks now, as we are not doing it in detail. So if you want, you can join our detail course, okay? Now moving on to the next. Two students appeared in an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So you have to find the marks obtained by both of them, right? Now let's the mark of one student be X and the marks of other student be X plus 9, okay? Because they have said that one student scored 9 marks more than the other, and his marks, that is 9, the one who has 9 marks more, his mark is 56% of their sum. That means X plus 9 is equal to 56%. How will you write 56%? 56 by 100, okay? This is how you will write 56% in fraction. So 56 by 100 into X plus 9, this is the mark of one student, plus the marks of the other student. The mark of the other student is X, right? So X, because they have said that the marks of the person who has 9 marks more is 56% of the sum of their marks. So sum of their mark is this, and this is 56%, that is equal to the mark of the other student, which is X plus 9. So if you do this, you can cancel this, right? You can divide it by 4. So if you divide, simplify this, 4 in 5, 4 is there for 1 time, and 16 4 times, right? Here 4 is there for 25 times. So you can bring this 5 here. So this will look like 25x plus 9 into 25 is 225, right? Is equal to 14x plus 14 into 9 is 126x plus 14x. Okay. Yeah. So you can bring this 14 and 14x here. So 20. Okay. So 25x will be. You can first write it like this. This will become 28x plus 1. This is 126. There is no x here. Okay. There is no x here. I am really sorry. There is no x here. So 126 and this. Okay. So you can bring this 126 here and 25x there. So 225 minus 126 is equal to 28x minus 25x. So this will be equal to 99, right? This will be equal to 99 and this will be equal to 3x. Okay, this will be equal to 3x. So 99 is equal to 3s, that is what we got. So x is equal to 33. Okay, so mark of one student is 33. So you have to find out the mark of second student. So one is x and the other is x plus 9. Okay, so if x is 33, the other marks will be x plus 9, right? So 33 plus 9 will give you 42. So option C is our answer. 42 and 33 is our answer. Okay. So before moving into next question, I want to tell you something about a trick about percentage. Okay. 100% and 50% is equal to 100% by 2, right? Now 10% is equal to 100% by 10, right? Now 1% is equal to 100% by 100. Now 20% is equal to 100% by 5 or 10% into 2, right? Now 5% is equal to 100% by 20 or 50% by 10. Okay. Now 100, 50, 10, 1, 20. Now 25. 25% is equal to 100% by 4. Okay. So keep this in mind. And now if I am giving you a number, let's say 840. So 840 is your 100%. You have to find the 50% of 840. So 50% means 100% by 2, right? So 50% of 840 will be 840 by 2, that will be 420. Okay. Now next is 10%, that is 100% by 10. So 840 by 10 means from the right hand side move a place and put a decimal point. So 840 by 10 will be 84. So 10% of 840 is 84. Now 1%, 1% is 100% by 100, right? So 840 by 100 means from the right hand side move 2 places and put a decimal point. So 840 by 100 will be 8.40. So there is no value for 0 after decimal. So let's write 2.4. If you have doubt, let's write 0. Okay, 8.40. Now 20%. 20% means 100% by 5. So if you want, you can do 840 by 5 or you can do 10% into 2. So our 10% is 84. So 84 into 2 will be 168. Okay. So that is our 20% of 840. Now 5% means what? 100% by 20, that means 840 by 20 or 50% by 10. So here 50% is 420. So 420 by 10 will be 42. So our 5% of 840 will be 42. Now 25%. So 25% means 840 by 4, right? That means 100% by 4. So 840 by 4 will be 210. Okay, so this is the 100%, 50%, 10%, 1%, 20%, 5% and 25% of 840. Now let's do some other number. Let's say, okay, so let's try another number, 1648, right? So 15% of 1648 will be 4, 2, 8, 824, and 10% will be from the right hand side, move a place and put a decimal point. So 164.8. Now 5% means 50% by 10, or if you want 10% by 2, 50% by 10, or 100% by 20, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so I am doing 50% by 10. So here it will be 82.4. Now 1% will be 100% by 100. So 100% is 1648 by 100 means from the right hand side, move 2 places and put a decimal point. So 16.48. Okay. Now 25% means 100% by 4. So 100% by 4 means in 16 4 is 1 time, I mean 4 time, in 4 1 time, and in 8 2 times, 4 1 2. Now 20% means 1648 by 5, right? 1648 by 5 means 329.6, right? 329.6. So this is the 50%, 10%, 5%, 1%, 25% and 20% of 1648. Okay, so if you can find out 50%, 20%, 25% this easily, you can find out 13%. That means 3% will be 1% into 3, right? 3% will be 1% into 3. So if you know 1%, just multiply it into 3. Okay, so 13% will be 10% plus 3%, right? So you will know 10% easily, you can find out 3% also easily if you know 1%, right? So that if the sum of that will give you 13%. It is easy for all other numbers also. 74 means 75% minus 1. So 75% means 25% into 3. You can find out 25% easily. So you can find out 75% also. Then do minus 1%. Okay. Then you will get 74%. And if you want to find out 80%, it is very simple. That is 100% minus 20% will give you 80%. You can find out, you know 100%, so minus 20% means 80%. Okay, so you can find out 20% by 100% by 5, right? Or 10% into 2. So you can find out any percentage easily if you know this 100%, 50%, 20%, 10%, 25%, 5% and 1%. Okay. Now, so moving on to the next question. Okay, a fruit seller had some apples. After selling 40% of the apples, he is left with 420 apples. Originally he had. So that is the question. Okay, you have to find out the 100%. That is the question. Okay, now 40%, he sold 40%. So that means he is left with, if 100% minus 40% is 60%. So he is left with 60%. So 60% is 420. Okay, 60% is 420. Now you have to find out the 100%. That is the question. So you know the conventional method, right? Percentage is equal to value by total value into 100. So here percentage is 60. Now value is 420. and you don't know the total value, just write total value here into 100. So if you equate this, you will get total value is equal to, this will come here and this will go here. Okay, total value is equal to 420 by 60 into 100. Okay, so you can cancel this 0 and 42 and 60. So 7 times, so 7 into 100 is 700. So the total value is equal to 700. So option D is our answer. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Yes, Ramu has 340 candies with him. He decided to give 20%, 50%, 5% and 25% of these candies to his friends Abdul, Rishi, Jarin and Payal respectively. How many candies did Abdul, Rishi, Jarin and Payal got? So that is the question. Okay. Now the total number of candy is 340. So our 100% is 340. Now you have to find out 20%, 50%, 5% and 25%, right? So 20% means 100 by 5 or 10 into 2, right? So here 10 is 34, right? 10% is 34. So right from right hand side, move a place and put a decimal point. So 20% will be 34 into 2. That will be 68. Okay, 34 into 2 or 340 divided by 5. You can find out in either way. Okay, 68. Now the next is 50%. So 50% means 100% by 2. So 100% by 2 means our 100% is 340. So 340 by 2 will give you 70, right? So 170. So 34 by 2 is 17. So add a 0, 170. Okay. Fine. Now the next is 5%. You already know 50%. So if you know 50%, 5% means 50% divided by 10. So 50% is 170. So 170 divided by 10 means from the right hand side, move a place and put a decimal point. So 70. So our 5% is 17. Now 25%. 25% means, actually you already know 20 is 68% and 5% is 17. If you want, you can add 68 plus 17. It will also give you, that means 20% plus 5%. You can add that. That will give you 25%. That is 68 plus 17. Okay. This will also give you 25% or 100% divided by 4. Okay, this will also give you 25%. So 340, either you can do 340 divided by 4 or you can add this 68 plus 17. Either way you will get 85. So that is your answer. First is 68, next is 170, then the next answer is 17 and then 85. So 68, 170, 17, 85. Option B is your answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Look at this series: 80, 10, 70, 15, 60, 20. What number should come next? Okay. So let's write it down. 80, 10, 70, 15, 60, 20. Okay, you have to check the alternative numbers. Okay, 80, 70, 60, that is plus minus 10, minus 10. Now the next set of alternative numbers are like 10, 15, 20. That means plus 5 plus 5. So the next number will be, that is the question, right? So The next number is a set of first alternative number. So 80, 70, 60. So next will be 50. So option A is our answer. Okay. Moving on to the next question. A 50-year-old man has a son whose age is 2 by 5 of his age. After how many years the ratio of the age of the man to his son will be 5 by 3. Okay. Age of the man is 50 years. Right? Age of the man is 50 years. Now, he has a son whose age is 2 by 5 of his age. So, the age of son will be 2 by 5 into 50. So, you can cancel this. So, this will be 10. So, the age of son will be 20. So, the age of man is 50 and the age of son is 20. Right? So, the question is, after how many years the ratio of the age of the man to his son will be 5 by 3. So, let us say the number of years is x. Okay. The number of years is x. So, 50 plus x and 20 plus x. So, the ratio has to be 5 by 3. Okay. That is what they are telling. So, 5 by x, 50 plus x by 20 plus x should give you 5 by 3. That is the question. So, now you can equate this. So, equating means 50 plus x into 3 is equal to 5 into 20 plus x. Okay. So, this will be 150 plus 3x will be equal to 100 plus 5x. So, when you can bring 100 here and bring 3x there. Okay. So, 150 when 100 comes here, it will become minus. So, 150 minus 100 will give you 50, and when 3x goes there, it will become minus. So, 5x minus 3x will give you 2x. So, x is equal to 25. Okay. So, the answer of this question is option D, 25 years. Okay. Now, moving on to the next question. Okay, so this is our next question. Identify the next term in the following series: QPO, NML, KJI. Okay, so let's write that. QPO, which is 17, 16, 15. NML 14, M is 13 and L is 12. KJI 11, 10 and I is 9. Okay, so if you look at this, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So the next will be 8, 7, 6. So this 8 is H, 7 is G and 6 is F. H, G, F is the answer. So I hope you could recall whatever I said in the previous video and could find out the numerical order without writing it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and ABCD. Okay. So I hope you could find it out easily, and this is the answer. Next question. Look at this series 2, 6, 18, 54. What number should come next? Okay. So if you look at this, 2 and 6, 18, 54. So what is the relation? 2 becomes 6, that means into 3, right? 6 became 18, that means into 3. Now 18 became 54, that is also means into 3. Now the next should be 54 into 3, right? So 54 into 3 is 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 3 is 15. So there is a remaining one there. So 162 is the answer. So option C is the answer. Okay. This is the end of this video. Thank you and wait till the next video. Bye.